Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this topic, I am going to discuss with you the effect of temperature on resistance and resistivity. Now, what is resistance and resistivity? First of all, we discuss about a brief comparison between resistance and resistivity. Resistance is basically the opposition offered to the motion of free electrons, and resistivity is the resistance of a meter cube of a material. बेसिकली रेजिस्टिविटी का ताल्लुक एक पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल के साथ है और रेजिस्टेंस का ताल्लुक डायमेंशंस के साथ है, क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया के साथ है. ठीक है, हम इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि आपके पास सेम लेंथ की दो वायर्स हैं, लेकिन एक वायर कॉपर की है और दूसरी वायर एल्युमिनियम की है. ठीक है, उन दोनों की लेंथ सेम है, उनका एरिया सेम है, मींस उनकी रेजिस्टेंस सेम होगी. जैसे आप लिख सकते हैं R इज़ इक्वल टू रो अवर एल अवर ए. ठीक है, लेकिन उनकी रेजिस्टेंस चेंज होने की वजह उनकी रेजिस्टिविटी है. यहाँ पर रो जो है, जो हमने प्रीवियस टॉपिक में भी पढ़ा था, दैट इज़ अ सिंबल दैट इज़ यूज फॉर रेजिस्टिविटी. ठीक है, तो इस केस में जबकि दोनों वायर का एरिया भी सेम है, उनकी जो क्रॉस लेंथ है वो भी सेम है, लेकिन उन दोनों की रेजिस्टिविटी चेंज होगी क्योंकि एक कॉपर से बनी है और एक एल्युमिनियम से बनी है. ठीक है, basically resistivity is the characteristic of a particular wire and resistance is basically the opposition faced by free electron. Okay, resistivity depends upon the nature of the material and temperature. So in this topic we discuss about the effect of temperature on resistance and resistivity. We discuss them separately. We discuss effect of temperature on resistance separately and the effect of temperature on resistivity separately. Okay, let's start from some experimental result. As you can see in the diagram, the variation of resistivity of copper with temperature. Experimentally, it is found that the change in resistivity of a metallic conductor with temperature is linear over a considerable range below and above 0 centigrade. As you can see in the figure, this shows that the resistivity is not zero at 0 degree centigrade. अगर आप डायग्राम में ग्राफ में देख सकते हैं कि 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे रेजिस्टिविटी कॉपर की ज़ीरो नहीं है. अबव एंड बिलो 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड जो ग्राफ है वो लीनियर है. विद द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, विद एट हायर टेम्परेचर जो ग्राफ है उसका बिहेवियर नॉन लीनियर हो जाता है, लेकिन अबव एंड बिलो 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड दिस बिहेवियर इज़ लीनियर. लेकिन ग्राफ से हमें एक और बात भी पता चलती है, द वेरिएशन ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी of copper with temperature means with the increase in temperature the resistivity of copper increases with temperature. Okay, now discuss the variation of resistance with temperature. As we have discussed that the resistance and resistivity both depend upon temperature. Now the resistance द बिहेवियर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस विद टेम्परेचर. जैसे हम कंडक्टर के केस में कंसीडर करते हैं कि जो आयनिक कोर्स हैं वो इनकी मोशन है वो वाइब्रेटरी मोशन होती है. दे डोंट लीव देयर पोजिशंस. with the increase in temperature the vibration of the ionic cores in lattice in case of conductors, the vibration of the lattice the vibration of the atoms in lattice increases. They vibrate with larger amplitude. This increase the Coulomb cross section of the atoms increases. ठीक है, thus the atoms then offer a bigger target. This increases the probability of the collision with the free electron. Hence the resistance of the conductor increases. Okay, with the increase in temperature the collision of the atoms and the free electrons increases. This increases this increases the resistance of the conductors. Means there is a relation between resistance and temperature. With the increase in temperature the resistance of the conductor increases. Okay, there is some experiment the mathematical form for the relation between temperature and resistance. Okay, R naught is basically the resistance at 0 degree centigrade. RT is the resistance at T degree centigrade. T is the change in temperature. Alpha is basically the proportionality constant, or you can say the temperature coefficient of resistance. Okay. RT is basically the resistance at T degree centigrade. R naught is the resistance at 0 degree centigrade. Now RT minus R naught is proportional with R naught. You can say that RT minus R naught is basically the change in resistance, and this proportional to the R naught, that is the initial resistance. You can say that the change in resistance is proportional with original initial resistance. Okay, next RT minus R naught is proportional with delta T, or the change in temperature. The change in resistance is proportional with change in temperature. Okay, now combining both of these equation, RT minus R naught is proportional with R naught delta T. Now replacing equality with proportionality, RT minus R naught is equal to alpha R naught delta T. Okay, alpha is basically the temperature coefficient of resistance. Okay, this equal to alpha is equal to RT minus R naught over R naught T. RT minus R naught is the change in resistance, and R naught is basically the initial resistance, and this basically called as RT minus R naught over R naught is basically the fractional change in resistance. Now you can define alpha, that is the temperature coefficient of resistance. This is you can define temperature coefficient of resistance as the fractional change in resistance of a substance per Kelvin is called the temperature coefficient of resistance, or mathematically this equal to alpha is equal to RT minus R naught over R naught into T. Unit for alpha, that is the temperature coefficient of resistance, is as RT minus R naught over R naught is a fraction. So fraction has no unit, alpha has a unit of per Kelvin. Now we are going to derive a mathematical form for the relation between temperature and resistivity. As resistivity is represented by rho. Rho is the letter that is used for the resistivity, and R naught is basically the resistivity of the material at 0 degree centigrade. Rho T is basically the resistivity of the material at T degree centigrade, and T is the change in temperature, and alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistivity. Okay, now alpha is the letter that is used for temperature coefficient of resistance, and it is used for the temperature coefficient of resistance. ये दोनों के लिए temperature coefficient of resistance and और resistivity दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, लेकिन डिपेंड करता है कि आपने उसको कैसे डिराइव किया है. ठीक है, तो फॉर मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म हम इसको कंसिडर करते हैं R इज़ इक्वल टू रो ओवर L ओवर A. ठीक है, नाउ द RT is basically the resistance at T degree centigrade. आप इसको अकॉर्डिंग रो T is basically the resistivity at T degree centigrade, L into L over A, and R naught is equal to rho naught L over A. Now putting both of these value in this equation, alpha is equal to RT minus R naught over R naught into T. Now putting the values for RT and R naught. L over A is the common term on numerator and denominator, so it will cancel. Now the resultant form will be rho is equal to rho alpha is equal to rho T minus rho naught over rho naught into T. Rho T minus rho naught is basically the change in resistivity, and rho naught is basically the change in is basically the initial resistivity or the resistivity at 0 degree centigrade. T is temperature. Now you can change in temperature. Now you can define the temperature coefficient of resistivity as a fractional change in resistivity of a material per Kelvin is called the temperature coefficient of resistivity. अब यहाँ से एक टर्म आती है कि हमने ये सारी यहाँ पर डिवाइन किया है कि रो नॉट इज़ बेसिकली द रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ ए मटेरियल एट 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. मतलब हमने उनको मेजर किया है 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड स्केल में, जबकि हम उसका यूनिट लिख रहे हैं अल्फ़ा का, हम उसको लिख रहे हैं पर केल्विन में, ठीक है। आपने यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व करके न्यूमेरिकल जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे उसमें आपने इसको सेल्सियस स्केल में सॉल्व करके आप इसको केल्विन स्केल में चेंज कर सकते हैं। लास्ट में आप इसको जो कि सिंपल फार्मूला है आप इसमें 273 ऐड करेंगे, ये इजीली केल्विन स्केल में चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है। आप इसको इनिशियली तौर पे भी चेंज कर सकते हैं और लास्ट में भी आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मटेरियल, दैट इज़ पॉजिटिव टेम्परेचर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस एंड negative temperature of coefficient of resistance, ठीक है। for positive temperature coefficient of resistance, those substances whose resistance increases with the increase in temperature like conductors। अब जैसे हमने इस केस में पढ़ा कि कंडक्टर्स जैसे ही टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज़ करते हैं तो रेजिस्टेंस है वो इंक्रीज़ करती है फॉर कंडक्टर्स, ठीक है। दीज आर नोन एज द पॉजिटिव टेम्परेचर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, ठीक है। देयर आर सम substances whose resistance decreases with the increase in temperature. These are called as negative temperature coefficient of resistance. An example is semiconductor. Semiconductor की जो resistance है वो temperature के increase करने से decrease करती है, ठीक है। So they are called as negative temperature coefficient of resistance. This from this topic. Thank you.